Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to do a what fits in my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. Love this guy. This video is going to go out first and then I'm going to do a comparison between the Lou camera bag, my Saint Laurent Lou camera bag, and the Alma BB. But I didn't, in that video, I didn't include what fits in those bags just because the video was getting just too long. So I'm going to put this video out, and then the next video that you're going to see is going to be the Lou versus the Alma BB, and you can kind of get my thoughts and opinions on the two. I love both of them, FYI. They're my babies. But we're just going to go into what fits in my Alma BB just in terms of condition. It is looking great. I have no scratches, see there, like no issues with the stitching. Mine was made in France. So that's just the 360. I have no issues with the handle or anything tarnishing. You can see it's in really great condition. I've had this for about December, January, 3 months, I think. Yeah, about 3 months. You see the little lock. I need to figure out what I'm doing with this lock. But yeah, there's no issues with the bag. The interior looks amazing. I love the pop of color and the red lining. I think it's gorgeous. So right now I'm just going to show you guys what fits in here. I will say this bag, it fits a lot of stuff, but because of the shape and the fact that it kind of tapers in, there's only so much that you can fit in this bag. But I think for a mini bag, it fits quite a lot of product in. So I'm going to quickly turn the camera around and show you guys what fits in the bag. So here is my Alma BB. I'm actually just going to take off the straps because they don't need to be on right now. There we go. And the stuff here is what I'm going to try and fill the bag with, just to see what it can hold. But for the most part, this is almost the exact same items that I included in my what fits in my Lou camera bag. So you can kind of compare the differences and what fits in both bags. I think the only thing different is that I've included this glasses case, which I don't think I included in the Lou camera bag, but I can take the glasses out and see what fits in there. So yeah, let's get stuffing. So I've got an umbrella, which is very important to me. I carry an umbrella pretty much all the time, even in the summer, because it rains. Oh gosh, I can't stand rain. So you can see that there is a bit of trouble with it fitting all the way in. There is kind of a bit of space. I'm going to take this out and add something else in and then put it back in again. So I have my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. So I'll dump that in there. I have my card holder. Usually I like to match my card holders with my bag, but I haven't switched my card holder out because I would have just used my Louis Vuitton reverse monogram card holder, but we'll stick with YSL for now, but usually I like to match. So we'll add that in as well. And then I have here a fragrance from Kayali. This is the Eden Juicy Apple. I like to put that in. Okay, now let's try and add the umbrella because it just wouldn't go all the way down. Okay, so as you can see, I've put the stuff at the bottom. You can see that there. And so I've just laid the umbrella on top of it because it doesn't lie all the way flat, so it goes across. It kind of is lying at an angle like that. So I kind of stuffed product in here and the umbrella is lying across like so. So that's that. And then I also have my YSL powder that can go in there. Hand sanitizer has to come in with me at all times. This is a 125ml bottle, so you can see for size reference, it's almost as big as the bag really, but that can go in. We have my Dior Lip Oil, which I love. This thing's like out of focus. There we go. Dior Lip Oil. I have a pad tin can put that on the sides. It's starting to get a bit packed, guys. There we go. Some paracetamol, which can go in the small pocket. And then I don't think I can fit the glasses case in, so I might have to take the glasses out and then just put them on top. And let's see. Oh, I forgot my phone. Okay, so here's my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it's a pretty big phone. Okay, so it's not going to fit with all this stuff in it, so I'm going to have to take some stuff out. So you can see from the shape of the bag, you kind of have to like put things in a certain way. So I've just put my phone over there. Can I put this back in? Yeah, that fit just like that. And so let me try and close it. Or, okay, I'm not gonna force that. So you can see it's really distorted. I can barely close it, so I'm not gonna force that because this bag is too expensive to break. So I'm gonna take out, let me take out the powder, because I don't think I had the powder in my Lou camera bag. Take that out and I'll move that there. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so still kind of distorted. I'm gonna take something else out. Let me take this pattern out. And I think what's making it really difficult is the umbrella, to be honest. Okay, so we can see that shuts all the way. So I had to take out the pad tin, I had to take out my glasses, and then I also had to take out my not my sanitary towels, oh my god. I had to take out my YSL powder. So now it fits. The shape is kind of distorted ever so slightly. You probably can't even see it, so I'm not gonna bother. So that is just what I could stuff in there, but as you can see, it holds a decent amount of stuff. Like I have an entire umbrella in here and it fits, and I think if I didn't have the umbrella I could definitely fit all these other stuff here, but because I do have the umbrella, it's what's stopping me from filling it up. But like I said, I always carry an umbrella. As you can see, it's longer than the bag, so I think, you know, it carries quite a lot of product in it. It's, you know, if you're somebody that you don't overfill your bags, but you do like to carry a few items, like I do, I think the Alma BB is great because it's mini, but it also can handle a lot of product inside. But like I said, if you overfill it, it will distort the top right here, which we do not want at all. So yeah, that's all about the Alma BB and what fits inside. I have done what fits inside my Lou camera bag, so definitely go check that out and you can kind of compare the difference. But I think this holds a bit less than the Lou camera bag just because of the shape of the bag and how it kind of caves in a bit. It's just, you can feel less product with it, but overall it fits a ton of product. So I'm really happy with my Alma BB. So I'm gonna end the video here. You can see what fits in my Alma BB. Like I mentioned, I don't think there's a huge drastic difference between the Alma BB and the Lou camera bag, but I think this holds a bit less. But let me know if you have got this bag and how you feel the capacity is. If you're interested in this, if you're interested in purchasing this bag, based off of this video, would you purchase it based on capacity? Because I think it fits quite a lot of product for a mini bag. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.